Today I'm going to tell you that how to install Android Studio on your computer. So let's first go to Google Chrome and search Android Studio and click on the first one which appears on your screen. Okay. Now you should download this one at here for Windows, and if it is your 64-bit. If you have a 64-bit, then you should download. Okay. So if you have any other things, then you can also download XE zip. For Mac there is also a separate one, and Linux Chrome OS also. So I'm gonna download this one. So click at here. No thanks. Okay. So I have read all the conditions, terms and conditions. Now download Android Studio for Windows 10. Windows. Okay. So now it will get installed. It is open when done. Okay. So it will automatically open when it is done installing. Okay. The exe file will take some time to install. It has what is exit so it is getting opened. Nice. Okay. So prompt will come like this. Click yes. Select your location where you have to download it. I have to okay. Okay. So and click next. You download it. Okay. Now I would like to download it in something below this PC, and then I like to download it in software. Okay. Right. Okay, so there should be an empty folder. Okay. So let's make an empty folder in I. Android. Okay. So let's get back to here. Okay. So now I can download it. Okay. So I would like to create shortcuts. Just select. Okay, so now as you can see, it has loaded here. The files are being loaded, Java files and all. Okay, so let's wait for it to install and then extract everything. And yeah, it's done. Installation complete. Now it will launch Android Studio here. Do not import settings. Okay, do not import settings. Do not import send usage statistics. Okay, studios. Okay, so it will ask you to create like this setup you want. Do you want a custom setup or a standard setup? I will choose a standard setup at phone. So you can set up here the theme, that if you want dark theme or light theme. So what just happen? Okay. So I like dark theme. Okay. So it will now download everything at here. Finish. Download everything which was attempt on the one. Now let's wait for it to download everything. Take some time. Okay. We want to use command processor. So it use the command processor. Okay. So everything has got installed, as you can see it here. Yes, it's finished. Okay, so now Android Studio is installed on the computer.